We have a question here. Says, a loudspeaker produces a sound wave in air. The distance between the center of a compression and the center of a neighboring rarefaction is 0.10 meters. So before I even go anywhere, let me first explain what this question is about. So sound waves are, they have got rarefactions. Just write maybe 5. All right. At the same time, do this. They have rarefactions. At the same time, they have what we call compressions. Rarefactions, compressions. So this is how they move. So they are saying the distance between the center of a compression. So the center of a compression is there. And the neighboring rarefaction. And the neighboring rarefaction. Like that. They are saying is 0.1. So from there to there, they are saying it is 0.1. Now, what is a wavelength? A wavelength is the distance covered by a wave for one complete oscillation or one complete cycle. Now, one complete cycle can only be made from one, all right? For example, if I start from this there, I need to end, it's like this. Center and the next, like that. That's how it is. Now, for us to find the wavelength on a longitudinal wave, you should start from there, okay, and all the way, like the entire part there, all right? So you move that distance. So we have a rarefaction and a compression from there to there, all right? If I start from the middle here, I'll also end on the middle there, okay? If I start from the middle here, I'll also go on the next rarefaction and end on the middle. Now look here, we started from the middle, meaning we were supposed to end on the middle here. But they are not ending on the middle, they are ending there, meaning doubling this will give us from there. And that is the total wavelength we are looking for. Is it clear, Tev? So meaning if we double this, so 0.1 multiplied by 2, we get 0.2 meters. Like that. State a typical value for the speed of sound in air. Now, it can be, they're saying the typical, so it differs, but I would say between 330 meters per second. So your value can be between this value, these two. So it should be between, so the value, when I say the value, the answer should be between 330 and 350 meters per second is fine. Calculate the frequency of the sound from the loudspeaker. Now, we just have to pick one here. Usually if I pick 330, meaning from the speed of sound formula, which is given by C is equal to wavelength multiplied by frequency. So we are looking for the frequency, meaning we make C over that subject of the formula. And our speed, if we get the one here, I'm just getting the one I'm comfortable with, all right? Okay, then we divide by meters per second. We divide by the wavelength, the one that we found at first, 0.20. If we divide those to get a calculator, so 330 divided by 0.20, I'm getting 1650. Frequency is measured in hertz. So that becomes the final value to the answer, or to the question, sorry. Next question. Explain whether the sound from the speaker is audible to a human with normal hearing. Now, how do you explain? Look at the value of the frequency that you have found. Look at the value that you found. Usually, a person can hear between 20 Hz and between 20 Hz and 20,000 Hz. Any frequency between this a human is able to hear. Now, is this audible enough? Yes. Because this value is between 20 and 20,000. All right? It is very much. It is audible. As the value of frequency found is between 20 Hz and 20,000 Hz, which is the range in which a human being can what? Can listen.